in the world of AI, there's a lot of confusing names, specifically around what is Deepseek and what are these models. I want to clear up some confusion. So Deepseek is both the name of a company, and they have a website, Deepseek, and an app, Deepseek, but it's also the name of their open source model. So that's step one. So when you talk about Deepseek, most of the time people are talking about one of the models. And then you can use it on their app, then, or their website. Then from there is the hosted Deepseek API. So you can call their service that hosts Deepseek, but now there are a lot of other companies because it's open source hosting it. And then you have choices in the models that you can make. So the flagship, which is the largest, is V3. Then there are reasoning models, which are trained slightly differently, and they're labeled R1. So the more logical core use model is V3. There are some use cases where people find slightly better results. Then there's R1, and there's different distilled versions of these. These are R1 models trained using the original V3 on top of using other open source models like llama and things like that. And there's a Quen version, I believe, and a few others. And so these names can be confusing, but they all have slightly differences in different performance characteristics. And some of the smaller models will respond faster, but it'll be less accurate. So they'll get quoted in the number of parameters that they have, going from like at the top end, 600 billion, down to I think some of the smaller ones are about 7 billion. It might be 1.5 billion is on the smaller side. So just want to clear up some confusion. Hope that helps for some people that are